In this video, I'm going to show you a setting on Instagram that's going to allow you to claw back some of your happiness with this. In this video, I'm going to show you a new setting within Instagram that allows you to claw some of your happiness back. So as you can see, this setting here is showing us now an option for hide like and view counts. So basically this will hide like and view counts from other accounts. This isn't from your own account, but there is an option for you to turn that off on your own account, which I will show you in this video. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is open up our Instagram, and we're going to tap on our profile picture down in the bottom right hand corner. And now what we're going to do is tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and go down right to the bottom where it says settings. Within settings, the next option you want to go to is privacy. And now what you want to do is tap on posts. And as you can see, within the very top setting here, we can hide like and view counts. So if I am to go back in here, you can see these posts that are now showing up. I can no longer see the like and view counts. So this is just a very nice setting that Instagram has brought about. We all know what it's like to see that person that you're maybe aspiring to be like, having so many likes and view counts on their posts, and maybe you're getting nowhere near that. Now you can hide that. So if you want to do this on your own posts, I'll show you how to do that now. So if we go into Instagram and we tap on one of our posts and tap on the three dots beside our post, you can see down towards the bottom here there is an option to hide the like count for that particular post. Now the annoying thing is I would have to do this with every single post, but it's nice to have the option there to turn that off. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you do want to see more videos like this, then why not subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.